Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to keep your messages protected on Proton Mail on PC. Proton Mail is a secure email service developed by the Proton that focuses on privacy and end-to-end encryption. It allows users to send and receive emails while protecting their data from unauthorized access. Logging into Proton Mail on a PC is simple and only requires your email address and password. And once you sign in, you can access your inbox. So first, open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top, there's an address bar. Type down proton.me and enter it. And over here, make sure to sign in with your account in the top right corner over here. And once you get into this interface of your Proton, over here we can find this mail. Click onto this mail. Over here, select to this new message in the top left in order to send it. Over here, what you can do is you need to add a subject. Here, what you have to do is enter the recipient's email address and your subject as well, and write your message over here. And after finishing a message, you can click onto this send on the bottom. Over here, you can also attach files by selecting to this attach over here. You can easily communicate while keeping your message protected with Proton Mail's privacy focused features. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.